You dirty, crooked bastards! You stole shit out of our camp! Everything's gone!
Shut up, go back to where you belong, and starve.
It's Lord of the Flies here.
Welcome to Outlast, where 16 lone wolves put their survival skills to the test.
Flick it with your wrist.
I'm tired, I'm cold, I'm wet, I'm hungry.
Nothing's gonna be ideal.
I won't survive without you guys.
We're gonna eat good.
With only one rule to win up to $1 million. You have to finish as part of a team,
We all know we can't survive alone out here.
or you go home with nothing.
110%. I'm gonna win this game.
That's what happens when you let your emotions take control. You can't think straight.
You will not treat me as some submissive little bitch.
Nothing wrong with playing dirty.
Even better, contestants is unresponsive.
If they had the opportunity, they would slice our throats.
I gotta get rid of these other players.
We don't have an alliance.
You're a traitor.
There is no law here.
Yes, there is.
Do you want to win?
I've got to take care of mine.
Let's just cut their heads off.
Come out, wherever you are!
We'll see you at the finish line, you weak ass mother.